your lovely messages while I've been away. I've not necessarily been away too much, I've just not been live, but as you can see, I'm live, I'm here. So we're going to go into a new topic this week. Just starter challenge, I'd like you to complete the table. So we've got different colours, green, blue, yellow and red. I'm forming a tally chart for these colours and the totals is here, but there are parts missing to complete the table, so I'd like you to try and complete the table for me. I'll be back in about a minute. Whoops, let me tripped over. Okay, shout outs. We've got hi Heidi and Broughton, hello to Seb, hi Harry, hi Simon in Nottingham, hi Lachlan, hi Kasumi, who's 9 years old in Chiswick, hi Aidan in St Albans, hi Roman, hi James in Mansfield, hi Catherine in Northamptonshire, hi Ethan in Lincoln, hi Jermaine, hi Seth in Kettering, sorry I didn't say it wrong then, hi Izzy, age 9, hi Sharia in Coventry, welcome back, hi Keenan Norwich, hi Keenan, welcome back, hi Ona in Tunbridge Wells, hi Elliot, hi Ariana, hi Kate on the Isle of Man. Don't worry, you don't have to write the answers for this one because I know it's going to be tricky to put them on, just if you've got them ready. Hi Michelle in Huddersfield, hi Jamie. Right, I'll come back to some more shout outs. So, we're going to be doing data this week, and I thought a really good warm-up challenge for our first lesson would be to complete a data chart. So, we've got colour. Now, this can be any sort of colours. It could be children's favourite colours, it could be the colours of cars that go past on the road, it could be colours that are picked out of a Lego box, it can be anything. So, we've got green, blue, yellow and red. Now, for green, we haven't got the tally, but we've been given the total. So in the top one, we need to fill in the tally. Now, as you know, hopefully, the tally should go in groups of 5. So we do 4 down, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1 across, and that's a group of 5. And we need 12. So we've got 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure you keep them straight. So that's not a very good example there. You need to keep them very, very similar. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I want 2 there, don't I? So when I mean keep them the same, you don't want a tally that's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That doesn't work. If you did that in a question, that would be wrong because you haven't shown it clearly. Okay? So, blue, I've got a blue pen, I'll use purple instead. So, blue, how many have we got? We haven't got a total, so we've got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, there's 9 for the blue. Yellow, I haven't got yellow, I'll use orange. So, we've got 1, 2, 3. No, you don't get the yellow cars, do you? And then red, oh, 22. So, we need lots of groups of 5. So, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So, data averages this week. To us, I don't think the lessons are going to be too tricky. Last week was tricky, but much nicer week this week. But I wanted to go through each one individually, so I was trying to make it as clear as possible, because when we're doing mean, median, mode, it's so easy to get the 3 confused because they all begin with M. But what do we mean by data averages? Data averages means that when you have a set of data, so like I said, like we just did there, it could be different colours, it could be number of birds, like different types of birds, it could be drinks in the drinks cupboard, it can be how many children are left-handed or right-handed. You can have data for anything. Anything can be put in the form of data. And data averages is when you need to find a certain amount to take the data forward. So it could be that you're inside the road and you spend an hour tallying the different cars that go past, the different colours. You need to take some you're not going to just sit there and do all this data and then have no answers from it. So you might be asked, like, which is the most popular colour of car? You will have an answer for that. You will analyse the data, you will look at it, and you will have the most popular answer. Okay, so it's making answers from data. Okay, today we're going to be looking at the mode. Okay, I've picked that one. Normally, I did have someone ask me. Someone said, "Why am I not doing the medium first?" When it's mean, medium, and mode. It doesn't matter what order you're doing it in. I'm doing it in the order that I think is most helpful for you. I'm going to go straight to the 3 challenge questions because the top question is really, really important. If you don't know what I mean by the 3 challenge questions, they are posted at 10 o'clock each morning before the lesson for you to have a go at, and then we'll go through them during the lesson. And I've got it because it says, what is the mode in statistics and how do we find it? So, mode is the one that occurs the most. Again, it could be colours, so in that table, the mode was red, wasn't it? Because there was 22 red, however many it was, the mode was red. So whichever one occurs the most. If I'm going to do numbers, I'm going to draw lots of numbers here. So I'm going to say 2, 3, 5, 9, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 5, 8. So in all those numbers, I'm looking for the mode, and it's the number that occurs the most. So the best way to do it is to go through one number at a time. I wouldn't just scan the whole thing because you're taking in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 numbers at once. I know some of you will be saying, I can see it though, I can see it, but you believe me. So look, 2 is twice, 6 once, 5 3 times, possibly 5, 4 once, 1 once, 3 once, 8 once, 9 once. So the mode is 5. Okay, that's the answer. Where's my board rubber? I've lost it. Oh, here it is. Okay, it could be that you have a choice of different chocolate bars. So it might be Mars bar. It might be, keep thinking of ones that begin with M, and I need to think so. Whisper. Whisper's my favourite. And Crunchy. And Dairy Milk. Okay, and I might use, so I'm going to say MB for Mars bar, W for Whisper, C Crunchy, D M. Okay, there might be, trying to think, so Mars bar, Crunchy, Whisper, Dairy Milk, Crunchy, Dairy Milk, Whisper, Mars bar, Whisper. So, again, out of this data, these are the chocolates that people have shouted out. Which one is the most popular? Which one occurs the most? So, Dairy Milk, we've got 2 Dairy Milks, we've got 2 Crunches, Mars bar, we've got 1, 2, 3 Mars bars, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 Whispers. So Whisper there is the mode because it's the one that occurs the most. Okay, I'm trying to think. So with median is the middle. So I say like median, middle, and mean is the meanest one to work out. You've just got to sort of remember them. If anyone's got a good way of linking mode, because I suppose it could be mode most. Mode is the most, the one that occurs the most. So I'm going to go back to the challenge questions. I'm going to have a go at the first one. So I'm going to put the first one up, and I want you all to have a go at it, or just check your answer if you've already done it. I'll do some shout outs, then we'll come back and check it. So the question was, on the 5 school days of a given week, Joshua recorded how many minutes late his school bus arrived in the morning, and here's what he found. So we've got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And on Monday, it was 5 minutes late. On Tuesday it was 8 minutes late. Wednesday it was 4 minutes late. Thursday it was 10 minutes late. And on Friday it was 8 minutes late. So what was the mode amount of minutes that it was late? I'm going to give you 20 seconds because it should be really easy, this one. Oh, I like that. Hi, Annabelle and Bloxham. Hi, Thomas, age 10, and Oliver, age 9. Hi, Ao from Edinburgh. Hi, Freya and Olivia in Malden. Oh, I like that. Mode, choose a load. So when you're choosing the mode, choose a load to choose the most. That's brilliant. That's so, so good. Okay, so we're looking for the mode time. It sounds like a strange question. What is the mode amount of time, you're thinking? So the most amount of time. So 8 minutes occurs twice. So it must be 8. Now, another way of knowing whether you have got the average time. Average means sort of the middle amount, okay? If you guessed at 4, if you said, oh, I think the mode is 4, here's a reason why you're not right, and you're going to see this every day this week, because the mode, median and mean always tend to be around the same number, and this is why, and I'm going to keep reminding you this week. And our average means about the middle, the one that occurs most. So if we've got, if I'm going to put these in order, so if I put 4, 5, 8, 8 and 10, and the mode is 8, can you see that's actually in the middle? That's actually called something else as well, we'll be doing that tomorrow. But can you see that 8 is actually one of the middle numbers, the average numbers? If it was up here, 4, it's a bit of an odd one, so it's normally always in the middle. It's the one that should make sense. Okay, in terms of numbers, that is. Right, let's think of another question. Oh, it's difficult thinking these questions about data. Let me think. So I'm going to do rainfall because it hasn't rained in ages, has it? Okay, rainfall. And I'm going to do a graph. So I'm going to have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I'm just going to check that you can see that. Yes, you can. Oh, it's not very straight though, Steph, is it? It's not very straight. That's probably better. So Monday, Tuesday, and I'm going to do this because the challenge question involves a graph. So remember, this is a clue to help you. So rainfall, I'm going to look at how many millimetres of rainfall. So 0, 1, 2, 3, so we go up to 4. Right now we've had no millimetres of rainfall, have we? So on Monday there was 1 millimetre of rainfall. On Tuesday there was none. On Wednesday there was 3. On Thursday there was 2. On Friday there was 3. Oh, I'm going to do Saturday and Sunday actually. Why not do all the days of the week? Saturday and Sunday. On Saturday there was 2, and then on Sunday there was 3. Okay, which is the mode day? Which is the mode day for the amount of rainfall? Which day is the mode amount? I'd love to know what you guys are thinking. Because I've asked a trick question, have I? You can't have a mode day because I bet you're thinking, what? But there's 3 days, okay? So that's another thing to look out for. And you'll see in the question later on, you can't have a mode day because there's 3 similar answers. Because you'll notice it's these that are the similar ones. So it's not the day that's the same, it's the number, it's the amount, it's 3 millimetres, so it's the measurement that's the amount, not the day. Ooh, Steph's feeling me today. Remember that for the challenge question. I think the question I've got is from a lower GCSE paper. So, question 3 from the challenge question was, in her end of term tests, each out of the 50 marks, Manila scored 48 in mathematics, 37 in physics, 40 in English, 48 in chemistry, and 36 in biology, and 31 in geography. So what is the mode of her score? So actually they're always out of 50. The scores are out of 50. So she got 48 in maths, 37 in physics, 40 in English, 48 in chemistry. She's clever, this girl, isn't she? 36 in biology, and 31 in geography. What is her mode score? What is her mode score? We'll see what everyone was saying about that other question. Oh, well done with the 8. Fantastic. That's amazing. Hi Nalupa and Nuneaton. Hi Hallie Beth. I'm so sorry. You're like, I'm so confused about that last question. Steph's a bit mean. Right, what is the mode score? So mode, most, which one occurs the most? We've got 40, 48, 48 twice, 37 1, 36, 31. So the mode is 48. Okay. To be honest, this is probably going to be the quickest lesson I've ever done, because that's it. That's all I need to teach you about the mode. It is going to get harder as the week is going to go along though, because I've taught you the mode today. Tomorrow we're going to do the medium, but we're also going to remember the mode. And then Wednesday we're going to do the me, but then we're also going to remember the mode and the medium, and we're going to keep reminding you of each one. So it's going to build up as the week goes along. So don't think, what? Is every lesson this week only going to be 20 minutes? No, it's not. But stick around, try that challenge question, let me know what you think, and we'll be back tomorrow for the mode and the medium. See you later. Bye.